Welcome back to WeatherBug here on a Wednesday. Todd Nelson with a look at the national coast-to-coast forecast and settled weather ahead. We are tracking two upper-level lows. We've been talking about these for the past several days now, but the one out west is going to help to touch off more showers and thunderstorms here in the central part of the country. Now, ahead of this front out to the west, we are starting to warm things up. Texas back into the 80s, and you can almost pick out where the two upper-level lows are. One off into the mid-Atlantic region, the southeast, and also one over the southwest. North of that storm system out west, very mild in parts of central and eastern Oregon and Washington. Things are starting to cool down for the Canadian Prairie provinces as well as a front drops off through the region. So yesterday, the northern tier of the nation warmer than average, and those two lows helping to bring in some cooler conditions, and noticing that this big ball of blue here is going to be shifting off to the east. So the temperature trend map, other than that warm up on ahead of the storm system, we are going to note some cooling towards the end of the week and another little bigger cool down heading into the Great Lakes region by this upcoming weekend. But again, the water vapor imagery showing those two upper level lows, counterclockwise circulation here in the east. Not quite done with that moisture. In fact, the northeast will be expecting about a quarter to a half an inch over the next couple of days in a few spots. But this storm system responsible for some high elevation snow showers and above, say, 9,000 feet or thereabouts, maybe 5 to 9 inches of snowfall. And then out near that Waldo Canyon fire area that happened in 2012, I believe, we may see some flash flooding on that burn scar area in central Colorado. Now, our severe threat on Wednesday looks like this. Hail and high winds, the primary threat. You might actually have some isolated tornadoes as well. And then on Thursday, that severe weather threat shifts off to the east a little bit. But we are picking up the decent chance of some precip in those areas. Will be an active the next few days in the central part of the country and plenty mild.